Aflawu brother boy. Kenny Ice is the one I'm talking about right now. And he has his Soundcheck EP out there that has been performing massively well on all streaming platforms. So on today's edition on the Lyrical Cruise, we can talk about just one. And that is track number one. Track number one, which he titled My Way. This particular song has been produced by Helegbe. And you all will know, if you don't know, I'm telling you today, that Helegbe is one of the baddest. He's one of the baddest and the dopest producer we have in Volta region at the moment. Let's check the songs out. I beg, just pay attention to the lyrics. Pay attention to the lyrics. Follow, bro. Stop whatever you are doing because it's coming. Like we are getting into it. Pay attention to the lyrics right now. I'm telling you. I know if you wait to see my dreams come true. Always prepare. I know I like to hit me impromptu. If they talk say what? You know, go feel wait to see the dreams where you get, you know, make it come true. So of them all, there be bigger dreams, bigger plans. The dreams, then be big. So you know if you wait, then see those dreams come true. Anyhow, be like every day, be if you make sure say your eyes they ground. So if you know go feel fold the arms, then watch life, make it can't hit them unexpectedly. You know go feel day, then make some things can cross in way unexpectedly. So always either you make ready for every journey, you make ready for every journey. What he plans, he do on my head. That be why you know if you wait for life to hit them impromptu. Life no go fit can hit nigga man unexpectedly. No invitation, then lie, then giddy now you can knock brother man down. No. Chasing my dreams if I chase yours too. Everybody got some demons if I face yours too. Chasing my dreams if I chase yours too. Everybody got some demon, but you focus on your own, chase your own. Me to make I chase my own. I dey do my thing. Yeah, you to focus on your own, do your own. Make you no can't stop your own. They can't talk about my own. Make you no can't talk about things I dey do well or things I need to do well. You to do your own. Me to make I do my own. That be what Kenny Eyes they talk about. Everybody for watch and focus on his own. This 2023, Kenny Bear, Mashama Katane Puifa Bam. Yeah, where the jealousy go take us to? Why some people them I think we they compare us to? Where the jealousy go take us to? This one if those people where they envy, you know, where the jealousy go take you to? Your brother man they progress now, you they envy him. Your brother man they progress now, you do everything possible, you spoil and give him. Where you go take you to? And to the people who always they do compare. Hey, look at this person. He got this and me, I'm still here. Why you take your thing, they compare somebody in thing? Why you go they do that? No, if you know they do that, bro, make you know they compare. So whatever you have, either little, enough or whatever, just bro, appreciate it. Appreciate it. Make you know they compare your own to somebody in own. Go get yours too. I get my life, I know they care what do they take yours too. He say what? He won't go come, he go get yours too. He gets his life, he don't care what you they take your own they do. So make you know can they talk about what he they take your life they do. We want the life, he they on a hand inside. What you want take your own do, take your own do. What somebody else want to take his own do, make him or her take his or her own do. Right now, they take you own, they do music, rap music. So you whether your own you want take, they go do anyhow. It dey your hand inside, do one. You dey bab, do one. Yeah, I base for my one corner. I dey do my thing for my one corner. Yeah, right now, me as I dey here, as you can see, I dey my one corner. I dey my one corner. See, every corner inside I dey here. I dey my one corner. We had to do my own thing for my one corner. You know, yeah, I do my own thing for my one corner. No stress. I do my thing for my one corner. No stress.
Oba mi mala de kamo mi mabo bana fuck with ya meow yana.
Oba mi mele de kamo. Me agbo ba na fuck with ya meow yana. Them no they regard we. They need to value we. But if you reach the critical point, it be we that they call. They need like the voter artists, they need to regard them. But if they don't get a verse or two from them, then my songs know they make waves. And that I for tell you say, Sally voter, we get talent. We get the people. But what they happen, we need to appreciate. We need to appreciate, we need to support, we need to promote them. The industry players, they make our artists look as if they are not good. Our artists are good. They are good, bro. Our artists are good. We have the men in voter. We have the men. These are the words. Meaningful music. Meaningful sounds is what we are talking about, bro.
We they work, well about build and up of it, show appreciation.
Yeah, we the work, you know, easy. The journey no be easy, so if you get small, Charlie appreciate. And sure they compare somebody you own to your own. The small you get, appreciate. Make everybody make okay with whatever he or she is having. They go be peaceful. That is how we like it in the town. Focus on your own. Make somebody to focus on his or her own. Then that's all. Then we move on.
I tire for streets, so I forget money change location.
And you tire for streets, so you won't make the money then change location. Right now in this single room inside, the money come Charlie apartment to giddy. That be what you need to talk. So right now you tire for streets. So you want double up, make the money, then change location. You get the money right now, you go base for Trasaku. Yeah, man. Let me see, money sweet. Get some.
It's my life and I just wanna live it my way. Yeah. You know they like me, fine, but just don't stand in my way.
He said what? This life, it be your own. You get your own for in hand. So you just want to live it his way. If you know they like him, fine, can't pass. Make you know they can't block your way. Make you know they can't stand on in progress. You know they like him, pass away. You know they like in ice music, just pass away. Make you no talk, just pass away. Make you no go they bite. Make you no go they do sell out. You know they like the man, can't pass away. Make him to find way, then can't pass. But either way, you can't stand on his way there like that be what he say. You know they like. You know they like and pass away, make him to can't pass. Make you know they can't stand in his way.
It's my life and I just wanna live it my way. Yeah. You know they like me, fine, but just don't stand in my way. It goes beyond what the eye sees. A lot of crazy thoughts in my head, got my mind bleeding.
You dey talk say what? All what you dey see, you know, the story behind it will be deep. The story go behind what all your eyes they see. A lot of crazy things in his mind, I dey get the eye bleeding. Bro, you go see somebody they look good, but within the person, you don't know what the person they go through. All what they talk about in life story and then probably the musical journey story. Yeah man, you blended the two all together. Where they give me then you inspiration. It they motivate you then I. That be what they talk about. This is my way. The first song on Kini I's Sound Check EP. If you never heard it, kindly go check it out. It's available on all streaming platforms. Voter, we get the men. I'm telling you, we get the men.
Like Moses, I'm trying to part seas, but the universe is getting cold and it got me sneezing.
It about. He say, he be like Moses. We know the struggles where Moses go through before finally God grant and the power where he separate the sea into two where they pass through go. The struggles. That be what they talk about. But like the universe they talk about, if you carry on can here, it will be the music industry, the entertainment industry. They give way. So all of them things they do now, they can't choke your nose inside where they sneeze. It's like coffee time. But right now, they can't want to talk about them. Yeah man, you won't talk about them because everything tired.
It's my freaking life and I'm living it. I just want to step out of the dream and start living it.
He say what? No matter how big in his own life, and he's living it, He appreciates it. Either you like it that way or you don't like it that way. He doesn't care. He's just living his own life. He say this is the time you have to wake up from his dream and start making it in real life. Listen to the lyrics and tell me if we, the Votarians, we don't get the artist, we don't get the men. You know be them kind money guys with lazy songs. Oh. No! This be good music, bro. Good music.
Trying to graduate from fantasizing to owning it. I'm quit.
He talk say what? You want to graduate from fantasizing it to owning it. You want to just stop assuming. Hey, they do me like this thing, I get am. No! He say it be hard time he stop from that thing and working harder to get the thing in real life. This be good lyrics, bro.
All the talking and plotting, I'll start doing it. Yeah, cause where I'm from, we know.
He say if I stop all the talking and start to do the plotting. If I stop the talking and start to do the plotting. Because they say what? Plenty talk. This one is like procrastination is a thief of time. I go do, you know they do. Right now I say no, this time around, if I shun all those stuffs, then focus on how you go do them. And surely you go do them too.
Get option, hustle or go hungry, nobody go dash you nothing. It's dog.
On these streets, you get no option. It's either you hustle or you go hungry. Yeah man, nobody go dash you anything. Nothing they come on the silver platter. Nothing they come easy. Even Freetown South Cry, nothing be free. We they can't talk about what. It's either you hustle or you go hungry, bro. It's either you hustle or you go hungry. Boy, you don't know what is coming. You don't know what is coming. You niggas all things say, as our artist Talaku, they watching people, if you can say them give up. No, they don't give up. The fires when they come from my kitchen, if you know what they cook, by now you know I cry for start the run. Second, then they can, you know be them kind and they talk like, you know be them kind money guys with the lazy songs like, no. Our artists no be them kind lazy guys with the we money guys with the lazy songs. I'm telling you.
On these streets and on these streets, the gangsters they move in silence and with caution.
On these streets, the gangsters they move in silence. At the same time, they take caution. You be gangster, you dey do yo. Wait, your capacity have no cap. You dey get in the music industry, they shout, but your capa no dey there. Can I say you be gangster? So you dey work in silence. That be what I tell you say. As them Talaku they watch you, make you know people think say them sleep. No, they are coming. They be gangsters, so they are working in silence, and they are taking caution too. Charles they play. You don't know what is coming.
True. People go talk anyway.
You don't care, like, you don't care. You don't see you already in matter cast. Already in matter, either you do the good, people go talk, say you no good. You do the bad, they go talk. So you don't care. Whatever you go do, they make them be now they do. So what if they can't tell them? No, your plenty talks no go do anything on them, bro. Leave a brother and make you breathe.
Success be rented and the rent is due every day.
That is what I'm saying, bro. You say you don't care, like you didn't find money. You don't care, you didn't find money. Because success is rented. And the rent is due every day. What did they talk be say if you want to be successful? You know be day one tax or you know be 1 day tax. It be everyday tax. You for the work on them every day. This song is a big inspiration. This song will be big motivation for me than you. If somebody they can't talk about in story, then you just go hear them, then go like that. You don't go learn from them. Then bro, you're doing yourself a very bad harm. Bro, listen to the words. Listen to the words. Success will be rented. And the rent is due every day. The rent, you go pay the dues on a daily basis. That be through your struggles. This be words. Let me borrow Kojo Sheldon in word. Bass, my nigga. This be bass.
It's my life and I just want to live it my way. Yeah. You know they like me fine, but just don't stand in my way. Yeah. It's my life and I just want to live it my way. Yeah. You know they like me fight, but just don't stand in my way. Yeah. It's my life and I just want to live it my way. Yeah. You know
the chorus is just saying that word. This be my life. Allow me make I live how I want them. If you know they like me, can't pass. Make you know they can't stand on my way. I they do the thing, say the thing. Me my thing I they do. You know go pick. You know go pick. You know go pick. Can't pass. Make you know they can't block my way. That be all what the chorus they talk. Yo guys, this is your guy called Your Weapon, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And also, don't forget to check these mad songs out. Yeah, man. This is the Soundcheck album from my one and only Ganky V. After that boy, Kenny Eyes. Thanks very much for watching.